Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem. The problem is range sum of binary search tree. The problem is given the root node of a binary search tree, return the sum values of all the nodes with a value in the range low to high. That means we have to return a uh, sum value of all the root nodes, which value is in between the range from low to high. So we have this example. Its low is value is 7 and the high value is 15. So output is 32. So how it is? So let me pick a pen. Okay, so here low value is 7 and the high value is 15. We will start reversing from the root node. Okay, so our solution will be, what will our solution? Our solution will be the sum value from the left subtree and the sum getting from the right subtree. Add this both, and if it is in range then add this also. Okay, so final sum is this. So we will start traversing from this root node. So if it is in the range of 7 to 15, so our sum will be 10. Okay, initial sum 10, or sum will be 10. Okay, now we will call the left subtree, then we will call the right subtree recursively. So here we got 5. Okay, now 5 is not in the range of 7 and 15. Okay, and 5 is less than the low value. So 5 is less than the low value. So what should we call the left subtree or right subtree or both? So we should call only the right subtree. Why? Because we know that in the case of the binary search tree, the left side of root node contain the lower value than the root node value. Okay, and the right side of the root node contain the greater value than the root node value. Okay, so here I'm getting the 5, which is less than the even low. So we will not even even left side of this, we will never get the value in between 7 and 15. So we will call here the right subtree. So we will call this 7. Okay, now 7 is in between the range of 7 and 15 itself. Okay, so we will just add it. So our sum is now 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Okay, okay. Now then we'll now in the right subtree, our pointer will come here and we'll check the 15, and 15 is in the range, so we'll also add the 15. Okay, so when we add the 15, we will get the sum value with 32. Okay, sum is 32. Now from here we will call the, so now let's check the 15. 15 is either greater than high. No, it is not greater than high. It is equal to high. It is less than low. No, it is not less than low. So what we will call, we will call both left subtree and right subtree, and here left subtree is null, so we will simply return 0 to this. And from here we'll, when we call the right subtree, we are getting the 18. Now 18 is what? 18 is greater than the high value. Okay, so then we will call the left subtree, and left subtree is null, so we'll return 0 from here. So now let's discuss the algorithm. So our final answer will be the 32. Now let's discuss the algorithm for this. So here we will start traversing the tree from root with applying the BFS algorithm or the DFS algorithm, knowing that what is the property of the binary search tree. As the tree is the BST, so the left subtree will contain the lower value than the root value, and the right subtree will contain the greater value than the root value. Okay, now if the root node value is null, then we will simply return the 0. Okay, now if the root value is greater than the high value, obviously if the root value is greater than the high value, then we will get the value in range in left subtree. So we will only call the left subtree. Okay, now if the value is the less than low even, then we will call the right subtree only. Okay, right subtree. Otherwise uh, we will just add these things. Just add the root dot value and the value obtained from the left subtree and the value obtained from the right subtree. So let's code for this, the coding part. So we are going to solve this problem recursively by using the DFS algorithm. So let's suppose a case. So what will our base case? Our base case is if root is null, if root is equal to null, in that case we will simply return 0. Why we will return the 0? Because we have to return the integer value here. Okay, if no, second condition, if root dot value is, suppose it is greater than high, if it is greater than high value. Okay, then in that case I will just return range sum bst. What we will return? The left subtree, root dot left comma low comma high value. Okay, otherwise else if root dot value is less than low, if it is less than low, then I will call the right subtree. So then range sum bst, I will call the root dot right subtree comma with the low value comma with the high value. Okay, with the high value. Okay, and the finally what we will return, we will simply return root dot value plus value obtained from the left subtree, range sum bst, root dot left comma low comma high, and the value obtained from the right subtree, range sum bst, root dot right comma with the low value comma with the high value. Okay, now let's compile it and check what will happen. Okay, got accepted with the example cases. Now let's submit it. Yeah, solution got accepted. Thank you guys.